Yes, I know. 10 o'clock, the dentist, I know. And then 2:30, you got to pick them up. And then, whoop, hey, whoa, hey, honey, I got to go. Hey, welcome aboard. You must have just scanned the old QR code on the back of the family truckster here. I just happened to be in it today because, you know, it needs gas and it needs to be washed. You know how that goes. The nice thing about the wash job, though, is it's going to go real smooth because of the ceramic coating on the outside of this thing. It's going to look like $1,000,000 when I just hit the automatic car wash. And then some of the other stuff as far as like window tint on here, added some of that so the kids and the dogs in the back would be able to have a more comfortable ride. It's not so bright, it's not so hot. Same thing on the front doors here because, you know, I got to ride around in here too. As well as up on the windshield, we got a nice strip across the top to help with the glare. And then the full windshield is tinted also to help with the heat coming in. The other thing this one gets, because this is the wife's car, is her windshield always seems to be finding rock chips. I don't know if you've had that experience or not, but this one has a windshield skin on the outside that helps prevent that as well. But I just wanted to thank you for stopping in and checking out the old family truckster here. And if you have some more questions, you can get more details on our YouTube channel that you're on there, or check us out online at protintutah.com, or give us a call. Thanks for stopping in.